Over the weekend, we started getting reports of a huge winter storm heading our way. They're talking about one for the books, the biggest snow and ice that we've seen in our state in 20 years or 30 years. I forget the exact statistic, but definitely calling for something huge. So the last couple days we've been making a lot of preparations. I went and picked up plenty of groceries, made sure we were stocked with flour to make bread and to feed my sourdough starter. I'm making some pumpkin sourdough pancakes for breakfast. I started some einkorn sourdough bread yesterday to bake, and we also have some leftover brisket so we can do sandwiches. I also have sourdough hot cross buns dough in the refrigerator. Now I'm testing a recipe for the blog that will hopefully be out before Easter for sourdough hot cross buns. So I'm gonna spend a little time in the afternoon working on that. It's just going to be a day around the house and the farm. The kids will play outside in the snow. Probably won't do a ton of schoolwork, but just enjoy this day at home in a very rare snowstorm here. We get some snow in Missouri, but we don't get a lot of these big snowstorms. So when we do, we really like to hunker down and enjoy them. Luke made sure the animals have plenty of grain and hay. We even filled lots of buckets and our stock troughs with water because last time when we had a huge storm over the summer, we lost power for 3 days, and they're talking about this possibly being a storm like that as well. This morning when I checked, we had about a 1/4 inch of ice and 6 inches of snow, and the bulk of it is still expected to come. So today is just going to be a cozy day in. Where's your coat?
I don't have it.
Let's do this. Here, hold your sleeve.
And I could just leave it like this. I could always come in like this.
No, you gotta wear a coat.
No, I mean come in. A coat? I don't know. I don't know what that is.
I thought you said you had all your stuff.
Not all of it. I couldn't find the coat. Oh yeah.
Let me find it. Bubba. That's a cute noise. That's a cute noise. That's a cute noise.
Mom, what are you doing? You doing, Mom?
I'm getting a video of little Theodore.
Ma. Ma.
Right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed going along with us today on a cozy winter day, snowed in at home. If you're brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and our handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by our farmhouse.